Hello everybody! Thank you so much for coming back to my kitchen. I'm so excited because I'm finally making these rainbow cupcakes that I've been thinking about forever. So what I'm going to be using is my Duncan Hines cake mix. I'll also be using the Duncan Hines whipped vanilla frosting. And there's 5 colors that I'll be separating my vanilla cake mix into these 5 bowls. So let's go ahead and get the coloring started.